how to restrict outgoing calls to specified numbers only on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the More button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and then tap on Supplementary Services. Now wait for a few seconds for the phone to load up, and then tap on Fix Dialing Numbers. In here at the top, make sure you tap on Turn on FDN. Now put in the PIN 2. Normally it is your SIM card PIN, so I'm going to put in 40. Then tap on OK. Next we go down and tap on FDN list. And from here, if there are any numbers that you do not wish to allow to call, delete it. So here, let's say I want to delete this number. Tap on it, then tap on the More button, then tap on Delete Contact. Now put in the PIN to confirm, then tap on OK. Next, I'm going to delete this one as well. So I'm going to open it, then tap on the More button, then tap on Delete Contact. And I will put in my PIN and then tap on OK to remove it. So in my FDN list now, it has nothing. So I'm going to tap on the More button, then tap on Add. Next, I'm going to put in a name. Then put in the phone number that you want to allow for outgoing call. And then put in the PIN. So put in the PIN 2, then tap on Save. So you can see here in my fixed dialing number, I have this phone number, which I'm allowed to make the call. Any other number that you try to make for the outgoing call will be rejected. So here, you can see if I go back to my phone application, if I try to call that, it will say fixed dialing numbers is on, so you can only call approved numbers. If the number is not approved, then you cannot make outgoing call. And that's it. Now, if you want to turn off that features, you can go into Call Settings, then tap on Supplementary Services, and then tap on Fix Dialing Numbers, and tap on the Turn Off FDN option. So put in the PIN. Once you turn it off, you should be able to make a call to any numbers that you like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.